rocket sirens. Thank you so much for joining us on this Sunday morning. I'm Katrina Smith, meteorologist Eric Gage over in the Weather Center. And you saw a little bit of activity on the Doppler radar, but it's kind of far out. So will we see those showers later this afternoon?
Yeah, those showers are out to the west right now, and due to lake effect off of Lake Ontario, they'll primarily stay to the west pretty much throughout the day. But we'll still be dealing with cloudy conditions, a cool day too as well for your Sunday. Temperatures only climbing up into the upper 40s to low 50s. You want to bring out that fall jacket or even bundle up with some flannel as well. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 at Doppler radar. Again, those rain showers off of Lake Ontario are generally staying west of central New York. In fact, one band currently moving just through Syracuse right now. That'll be the primary forecast for this time. And some sunshine trying its best to peek out across the area on the New York State Mesonet camera network. But again, clouds, the general story for today, and cool conditions as well. Dodging lake effect rain to the west. But on top of that, a warm-up is coming later on this week with some sunshine. And for today, temperatures climbing up into the upper 40s to low 50s. Another cool night in store for us tonight. And then again, I'll go into more detail on what to expect for this coming work week coming up. Back to you, Katrina.
Thank you, Eric. The Wynn Hospital is holding.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning and happy Sunday. We are experiencing some mostly cloudy skies across central New York as of right now, but some sunshine is trying its best to peek out in some parts of the area. In fact, here's some blue skies here in downtown Utica from our Nexus camera. And for the most part, a dry and somewhat cool day across the area as temperatures only climb into the upper 40s to low 50s. There is some activity, though, in the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Currently, lake effect rain showers coming off of Lake Ontario over Oswego, Syracuse, and some parts of Onondaga and Oswego counties. For the most part, though, here in Oneida, Herkimer, and Otsego counties, we're looking to remain entirely dry for today, aside from a spotty light shower later on this evening. And talking about our Sunday forecast, the lake effect rain showers will primarily stick to this light green area right here. It can include parts of Hamilton and Madison County, as well as the southern portion of Otsego County, as the winds slowly shift east throughout the day. On top of that, too, mostly cloudy skies are expected for the rest of central New York for today. And again, a somewhat cool Sunday in store for us today. The week ahead, talking about mostly cloudy skies and a chance of some light drizzle both for Monday and Tuesday. Temperatures warming up into the mid-50s both those days. Decreasing clouds Wednesday, and then a warm-up heading into Thursday and Friday. Sunshine on Thursday, temperatures in the 60s, and then depending on the arrival of rain showers, a dry start to Friday with rain arriving, unfortunately, by next weekend. And the bigger picture, again, we're talking about wind direction favoring lake effect off of Lake Ontario. See that pretty much all over western New York right now. And looking at it in our skycast for today, again, mostly cloudy skies, those rain showers primarily sticking to the west. And then as we head into tonight, a spotty light shower possible across some parts of the southern valleys. And then by sunset, a weak system moving through the area could produce a light shower lingering into the early morning hours for Monday. And then Monday, similar weather pattern with temperatures in the upper 40s starting out and into the mid-50s by the evening with a pop-up shower or two. And again, mostly cloudy skies. And so for today, again, temperatures climbing up into the upper 40s to low 50s. A bit breezy with mostly cloudy skies. Tonight, lows falling into the 40s with spotty rain possible, especially in the southern valleys. Our 7-day forecast, cloudy conditions for the start of the work week. However, sunshine returns Wednesday and Thursday. Temperatures in the 60s wrapping up the work week, but rain showers do inevitably return by next Saturday. And our trivia question, caffeine in coffee beans is a natural insecticide. True or false?
Well, gee, you'd think a caffeine junkie like me would have the answer to this, but I don't. Let's say true.
It is true. It is true. I'm pretty sure caffeine, as well as I know nicotine, is another stimulant. Yeah, and it's also used as an insecticide naturally for some of these plants.
I did know this. I was camping and someone said sprinkle coffee beans around where you don't want the mosquitoes to be.
Oh, that's a really cool idea.
That was tucked away in the back of my mind.
Naturally surrounding the seeds.
Yep. or nicotine. Go figure, right?
Yep.
Thank you so much, Eric. Eric was part of a pretty cool event yesterday. Welcome back, and thank you for joining us for another half hour of News Channel 2 Weekend. Today, I'm Katrina Smith, and it is Sunday, October 15th. Meteorologist Eric Gage hasn't gotten enough of the partial solar eclipse just yet, but you got some amazing pictures.
Yeah, it was a brief window we got it, and the view from our camera was behind some clouds, but kind of added to the aesthetic, if you'd call it that. So here's a view right here. You can see almost like a little bite taken out. About 20% of the sun was covered. But this is another really cool shot by Jarvis in Clinton. We had those clouds, again, adding a little bit of that cool filter to it. And if you did miss this eclipse, don't worry. There is a total solar eclipse coming up next April 8th. That'll be a once-in-a-lifetime event, so I don't want to miss that. Sunrise sunset times continuing to get later and later, especially for the sunrises. Now, for 2 weeks from now, sunrise 7:31, then daylight saving happens November 5th, and then sunrise then at 6:53. But take a look at that, less than 10 hours of daylight within the next month. And a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2, a Doppler radar. Currently lake effect rain off of Lake Ontario right now, but still can't rot a stray shower in the Mohawk Valley for today. Other than that, though, mostly cloudy skies, highs in the upper 40s to low 50s. We're talking about in detail what to expect for the rest of this weekend, plus the week ahead coming up. Back to you, Katrina.
Thank you, Eric. The situation inside God.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning and welcome back. This Sunday, a cool day in store for us, with temperatures only climbing up into the low 50s with mostly cloudy skies and a few spotty showers. Here's a live look at downtown Utica across the Mohawk Valley from our Cavi Tower camera. Some beautiful fall colors up here in Smith Hill, but something I've been noticing too, driving around some parts of the Mohawk Valley, even higher elevations, some of those vibrant colors are muted. I'm not sure if it's just me or some of you have seen it as well. Not as vibrant, at least as what I saw in the North Country a few weeks ago, with plenty of reds and purples. I'm seeing more oranges and yellows compared to those brighter fall colors. And a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 at Doppler radar. Currently some lake effect rain showers coming off of Lake Ontario, currently over Syracuse and Oswego, and a few spotty light showers in the North Country as of this morning. This will weaken as it shifts its way south, and for the most part, generally mostly cloudy skies for central New York, with a chance for a spotty light shower in the evening. And the primary area affected by lake effect rain will be this light green area indicated right here on this map. Now, our forecast for the week ahead. Mostly cloudy skies, a chance for light showers both for Monday and for Tuesday. Clouds start to decrease Wednesday and warm up heading into Thursday and Friday. 60s with sunshine, a beautiful day for your Thursday. And then heading into Friday, depending on the arrival time of rain, it does start out dry. It could remain dry for the entire day before rain showers arrive late. Again, still very pleasant temperatures in the mid-60s by the end of the work week. And so the bigger picture, based off of a northerly wind direction, lake effect is coming off of the Great Lakes right now, and a few spotty light showers currently in the North Country as of 9:45. And on the skycast, again, mostly cloudy skies, lake effect rain generally staying to the west. Heading into this evening into tonight, a brief light shower from a weak disturbance is possible, especially in the southern valleys. Overnight lows falling into the low 40s. Mostly cloudy skies expected for your Monday, for your morning and evening commute. Still, maybe some light drizzle on the windshield, but no real impacts in travel for both Monday and Tuesday to start out the coming work week. And so for today, mostly cloudy skies, bit breezy, highs in the upper 40s to low 50s. For tonight, lows falling into the low 40s with mostly cloudy skies and some spotty light rain. Our 7-day forecast cloud cover continues for Monday and Tuesday. Sunshine arrives Wednesday and Thursday into parts of Friday before rain showers do inevitably return coming next Saturday. And our final trivia question of the weekend: when was the snowiest Halloween in Utica?
Oh boy, I mean, I was alive for all of these, Eric, so let me think.
I was only alive for one of these days.
I know. I can't remember trick-or-treating in the snow, though, so it had to have been after I trick-or-treat, so I'm going to say 1999. 3,
There you go,
5?
1993.
Yeah, okay,
3
great.
inches of rainfall. So it wasn't a complete whiteout or a blizzard, but yeah,
It
compared
was
to...
like a graupeli, or was it actual snow?
I could look into that. It'll probably take longer by the time the show ends to figure that out. But
So we'll figure that out next week.
Yeah.
Thank you, Eric. There was something strange going on inside the Utica.
Tonight at 6, meteorologist Eric Gage. Eric, I was driving in today, and one thing I've noticed is a lot of dull colors to the south.
Yeah, that's what Bill and I were mentioning at least earlier, and it caught the attention because in the North Country earlier on this fall,
Right.
breathtaking colors,
Yeah.
reds, purples, but as I take a drive around some parts of the Mohawk Valley, somewhat muted, still some colors, but they're
Right.
more yellows, more browns. And our thoughts are, we're going to do some research on this, but we're thinking that because we had such a dry and warm stretch before the peak colors in the North Country, and then we had
Right.
rain and clouds for the Mohawk Valley. That's our
Yeah.
thought right now, is thinking that maybe the cool air and rain might have something to do with that. Yeah. And for the weather for today, it's been on and off with some sunshine peeking out in the valley as well as some rain showers briefly moving through some parts of the area. Most of the widespread lake effect rain has still stayed south and south and west of central New York as expected for today. And you can see right here across the state and the New York State Mesonet camera network, still generally overcast skies. And for tonight, overnight lows are falling into the mid to low 40s with mostly cloudy skies. Similar weather is expected for tomorrow, though slightly less rainy. And on top of that, more dry weather and warmer conditions are expected for this coming week. Details on that in our full forecast coming up. Back to you, Ben.
Thank you very much, Eric. The rescue mission of Utica.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. It's been a mixed bag for weather today. We've had some sunshine peek out, then a brief rain shower, then clouds, and for the most part here, taking a live look at Oneonta atop Hartwick College. Overcast skies currently going on in the city of the hills. And a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Overall, things are somewhat active across the central New York region. However, most of that activity will still stay across this line right here over Oswego, Syracuse, heading down to Norwich and Shenango County. This line right here is the easternmost extent of those most steady rain showers. However, a few spotty showers will continue to linger across some parts of the area into tonight and for the most part heading into tomorrow as well. How about these for temperatures across the area? Only warming up into the upper 40s to low 50s. 47 Barneveld, 48 West Leiden, 50 Mohawk, 50 as well in New Hartford. And to the south, 49 Whitesboro, 43 in Hartwick, 46 Westford, 47 in Milford as well as Eaton. And taking a look at the forecast for your work week ahead, similar weather pattern in store for us for your Monday, although slightly more dry. Not going to be seeing as many brief lake effect rain showers and pop-up showers as we saw today. So there's still a chance of some light drizzle, temperatures climbing up into the mid-50s. Even more dry for Tuesday. Again, still a chance for light drizzle, but nothing major in terms of rainfall accumulation. And high temperatures in the 50s will linger into parts of Wednesday. However, clouds will finally start to come to an end Wednesday evening. And for Thursday, expect a great day with sunshine, temperatures in the mid to upper 60s. A brief warm-up, though, as we head into Friday. A frontal boundary moves through after a dry start, rain arriving late. And then overnight lows will be falling into the 40s. And then the weekend ahead will also favor 40 to 50 degree temperatures. The bigger picture, we have a ripple in the atmosphere. This orange dashed line right here is basically a wave moving through the ocean of air currently over central New York right now, and that is bringing with it some patchy drizzle, sunshine, and mixture of clouds. Overall, a mixed bag of weather for today. And for tonight, a similar weather pattern as that frontal boundary moves through. Things will gradually dry out by early Monday morning, mostly cloudy skies, still a bit breezy, temperatures in the low 40s, and then warming up into the mid-50s by the afternoon with a few spotty light drizzly showers and again, mostly cloudy skies. And then overnight lows Monday night falling into the 40s once more, and one more final weather pattern favoring clouds and cool, breezy conditions before, as you can see right here, those clouds just starting to break by Tuesday at 8 p.m. And so for tonight, lows falling into the 40s with mostly cloudy skies and a few spotty light rain showers. For tomorrow, mostly cloudy skies, highs in the mid-50s. Still a bit breezy though, wind speeds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Our 7-day forecast, again, still looking at cloudy conditions for Monday and Tuesday. Sunshine returns briefly Thursday, highs in the mid to upper 60s. And then a cool down as we head into Friday, Saturday, and Sunday as rain inevitably returns for next weekend.
Forecast tonight at 11 with meteorologist Eric Gage. Good evening, Eric.
Good evening, Ben. It's been a cloudy, sunny, rainy day across the area. A mixed bag of weather for the most part today. And tonight we're still dealing with a few lingering spotty showers in the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. And this will be a common trend overnight tonight into early tomorrow morning. And then tomorrow, some peaks of sunshine once more. Similar weather that we saw today is expected for your Monday, although slightly more dry with just a few pop-up showers possible. Temperatures are currently in the mid-40s, and the weather for tomorrow slightly warmer. Highs approaching the mid to upper 50s. And a common trend this coming week is going to be a quick and brief warm-up by Wednesday and Thursday, climbing up into the mid to upper 60s before temperatures cool right back down again by next weekend. And for tonight, overnight lows falling into the mid to low 40s with mostly cloudy skies, a few spotty showers. Got a little more detail on the weather to be expected for the work week ahead coming up. Back to you, Ben.
Thank you very much, Eric. The rescue mission of Utica held its
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening, or should I say good morning. It is 12:09 in the a.m. and on the Caveat Tower camera you did see basically nothing. We did have some low-level clouds currently over the city of Utica. Here's a live look at downtown Utica from an Axis camera. Here in the Mohawk Valley, things are somewhat active. We do have a weak disturbance pushing through on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, still producing a few spotty light showers across central New York. Again, nothing major, but could make the roads a little bit wet. And of course, along with that too, as temperatures continue to cool, low-level clouds, meaning foggy conditions possible in higher elevations. And temperatures right now are still on the cool side, dropping down into the low 40s up near Big Moose. 47 Westland, 45 degrees in Whitesboro and to the south. Still on the cooler side, 43 Sherburne, 46 Cooperstown, 42 degrees in Skenevis. And the week ahead, tomorrow favoring similar weather we saw today with mostly cloudy skies, slightly more dry with a chance of some light drizzle. Temperatures climbing up into the mid to upper 50s. Again, Tuesday, still dry conditions relatively with mostly cloudy skies. Clouds slowly start to decrease Wednesday, but still remaining on the generally overcast sky condition trend. And by the way, for both of these days, there is still chances for peaks of sunshine to pop out in that overcast. Now, heading to Thursday, looking to be the nicest day of this work week. Sunshine, warm up, temperatures climbing into the mid to upper 60s. However, this will be short-lived. As we head into Friday, a frontal boundary moves through, and then temperatures start to cool down next weekend, back down into the 50s and 40s for highs. And the bigger picture, we have a ripple in the atmosphere, this dashed orange line producing basically a wave of air that is lifting up and causing rainfall across portions of central New York. You can see these few weak ripples right here on the radar right there. And on our skycast for tonight, mostly cloudy skies, a few patches of light drizzle. Tomorrow morning, temperatures starting out in the mid-40s with generally overcast conditions. Your morning commute should be fine aside from some light drizzle. Same for the evening, but sunshine could peek out, especially in the Mohawk Valley as temperatures climb up into the mid to upper 50s. Overnight lows tomorrow night falling into the upper 40s to even actually upper 30s to low 40s, and with some sunshine peeking out as we head into Wednesday itself. And so for tonight, lows falling into the 40s, mostly cloudy skies, a few spotty showers possible. And then for tomorrow, highs climbing up into the upper 50s with, again, mostly cloudy skies. A bit breezy, though. Our 7-day forecast, After generally cloudy conditions for today, I should say today and tomorrow. Sunshine for Thursday, rain showers return Friday, lingering into Saturday and Sunday.